Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the services discussed. Here at Rome Tips, we're taking a deep dive into Handelsbanken UK, a reputable banking institution offering a wide array of financial products and services. Be sure to explore the helpful links in the description below for more details. Handelsbanken UK operates as a branch of the Swedish bank, Handelsbanken, and distinguishes itself by providing a distinctly personal banking experience. Renowned for its exceptional customer service, transparent banking practices, and dedication to providing customized solutions for both individuals and businesses, Handelsbanken UK presents an appealing choice for those seeking a more attentive and personalized banking relationship. Whether your needs encompass personal accounts, business services, mortgages, or investment opportunities, Handelsbanken UK offers a comprehensive suite of financial solutions. Among its key features are personalized financial guidance, competitive mortgage rates, and an emphasis on fostering long-term customer relationships rather than pursuing short-term gains. A particularly notable feature is the absence of monthly fees for current accounts, a significant advantage for those seeking to minimize banking expenses. Furthermore, they offer flexible and competitive interest rates on savings accounts, making them a compelling option for individuals aiming to optimize their savings with a dependable institution. Handelsbanken UK's mobile banking app is well-designed and user-friendly, enabling convenient management of your finances from anywhere. While it may not boast the same extensive range of features as some of the larger UK banks, it provides a streamlined and efficient mobile banking experience. Another positive aspect is the bank's commitment to sustainable practices and responsible lending, which resonates with environmentally conscious customers seeking ethically sound financial choices. So, who is Handelsbanken UK best suited for? It's an ideal choice for individuals and business owners alike who prioritize a personalized, customer-centric banking experience. If you're looking for a bank with a global reputation for reliability and prefer interacting with a more traditional branch-based service, Handelsbanken UK could be the perfect fit. In conclusion, if you value straightforward banking with a personal touch, Handelsbanken UK is certainly worth considering.